Hi, I am Dr. Anuradha, adolescent pediatrician and parenting wizard, and I welcome you to Dr. Anuradha's Breath of Fresh Parenting. My 13 Secrets to be Creative. Unlock your creative potential by learning the 13 secrets to be creative and make digital media your companion in this process. I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction, the world will have a generation of idiots. Whether Albert Einstein said this or not may be debatable, but technology has superseded all this and given birth to a generation of young people who have proved that creativity can be limitless when it comes to the world of internet. 16-year-old teen Arya from our own city of Bangalore who grows his own vegetables and teaches organic farming using internet is a perfect example of this. Secret number 1. Choose the right time and the right place. When are you most energetic? Are you a night owl or bubbly and energetic in the morning? Play around with it, and once you find your creative sweet spot, build it into your daily routine. You also need to allow yourself enough time to create without pressure. Pressure, whether time based or emotional, stifles creativity. I am a morning person and my creative juices flow as soon as I get up. I have been amazed at how much I am able to create when the time and place both are perfect for me. My favorite chair with my footstool, sitting in the balcony, watching the sun rising, sound of birds, and sipping my cup of coffee, and of course, my laptop in front of me. That is the perfect place for me to create. Choose a time of the day when you feel the creative genius in you is at your best. Secret number 2. Find your spark, real as well as virtual. A spark is the reason why. What makes you tick? What motivates you and makes you move forward and makes you say, this is it? How do you do this? If you look deeper into your lives, you will find people who have made a difference to you or given you the feeling, wow, I wish I could be like her or him. I have met and connected with innumerable persons who inspired me to do what I wanted to do. But what actually set me on fire, I would like to share with you. There are two experiences. One, a real life compliment from a 19-year-old. She said, I want to be like you are now at my age. And you know what I said to myself? Hell, I wish I could be like me when I was your age. And this actually ignited the spark of creativity in me and made me determined to create something that could be a source of inspiration to parents and teens worldwide. Another source of inspiration was, of course, the virtual world, the internet. I was amazed to see the phenomenal difference young people were making across the planet. They had used the power of internet to make their passion a reality, be it developing a skill, transforming their talent into a business idea and becoming entrepreneurs, or helping people in distress. A perfect example is Richard Black, a 17-year-old who used artificial intelligence to help people with visual and hearing impairments. And I said to myself, this is the message I would like to give every teen and every parent. Secret number 3. Identify your purpose. Finding a purpose is everything. It is what we call your noble goal. When I started thinking about creating creativity, I asked myself, why do I want to do this? I have worked with teenagers and parents for over a decade and a half, interacted with professionals, parents, and teenagers one on one through workshops, visited educational institutions and organizations. But there was a constant feeling that there's something missing, the spark. Then, Eureka! It dawned upon me that this feeling of dissatisfaction was because I wanted to reach out not to 100 or 1,000, but at least 1 million teenagers and parents and help them connect and experience the joy that I had experienced as they navigated through teenage or puberty. And I said, this is it. This is my goal. I want to reach out to a million parents and teenagers. And believe me, this became my driving force. The act of creating fills us with a sense of purpose and fulfillment that little else can. Digital media, I knew, would prove to be invaluable in my reaching my noble goal and leaving a legacy behind that would help parents and teens across the globe. Secret number 4, dig into your past. You might be even surprised and even shocked to hear this. You'll perhaps be thinking right now, everyone says, leave your past behind. But when it comes to creativity, it can be a huge help. Even negative experiences in your life teach you something and help you to come up with creative solutions. Look at 9-year-old Mikhaila, who was stung by a bee as a small child, but this motivated her to create the Bee's Lemonade brand, and she became one of the youngest entrepreneurs in the world at the age of 9. Another important concept is that there is always no need to reinvent the wheel. You can present old wine in a new bottle. You don't always have to try to be absolutely original. It is easy to be misled into thinking that there is some kind of pure originality. Every piece of work is inspired by something which already existed. And that's the reason somebody said, do not be embarrassed about borrowing stuff. It'll help you to create. Secret number 5, believe in yourself. There are many things which hold you back from being creative. A feeling of vulnerability, a feeling of not being good enough, a feeling of failure, or afraid to make mistakes. Digital media can be really inspirational in this process. Listening to podcasts, audiobooks, watching videos can give you great ideas and connect you to stories of great people who fought against odds and used their creativity to carve their future. Secret number 6, do not compare. Don't compare what you have created with what others have. They say comparison is the thief of joy, but much worse than that, it is the thief of everything. If I compared my YouTube skills to that of someone with a million subscribers, I wouldn't be able to get out of bed in the morning. Comparison deflates your balloon of happiness. Learn from others, but do not abandon your dreams just because you think someone else does it better. Secret number 7, connect with your emotions. How does it make you feel? Emotion word is derived from the Latin word emovers, which means to excite or to stir up. A question I ask myself every time when I decide to do something new. A feeling of sheer joy, excitement, my heart beating fast. This is what creativity does to me. I feel sky is the limit. I can conquer the world. And I feel that the world is my oyster. And many times, listening to music and through my favorite apps like Prime Music these days brings on creative thoughts in me. Secret number 9, recognize your patterns. There are several roadblocks to creativity which are there within us, and these are our own patterns, and they can be huge traps. Overthinking things, being overconfident, perfectionism, procrastination. These are all enemies of creativity. Years ago, when I was trying to learn the German language, I had decided that I want to be perfect and I'm going to speak only when I'm able to speak like a native. In due course, I realized that it's going to be a long time before I reach that. And if I don't start speaking the language, I will never be able to reach my goal. And that's the time where I changed the way I was looking at it. And I said, I don't need to be perfect. And I started speaking the language. And believe me, I can't tell you the kind of improvement I saw in me when I made that decision. Another thing that really helps is lateral thinking. If we cultivate the ability to look at things differently from the way we look at it typically, it can be a huge, huge help in being creative. Secret number 9, share your creativity. Here again, media can prove to be a great platform, and surprising talents can emerge from that. You can start really simple. Are you good at cooking, for example? Can you do by sharing videos of what you cook? Have faith that people are receptive. They want to hear you. Affirmations will come from them. It has a ripple effect and it inspires so many more people. I started taking my singing lessons online. I was initially afraid to share it, but I overcame that fear and shared some of my efforts with my friends and family. I was amazed at the response. Not only did they give me a positive feedback, I could see a tremendous improvement in my own self esteem. Secret number 10, do not let the social media consume you. I used to complain that I never get time to do anything for myself. It was only when my son pointed out I realized how much time I was spending watching Netflix or checking my messages on WhatsApp. My days used to start with WhatsApp, and I would almost lose an hour just looking at my messages when I very well knew that my creativity was at its best in the morning. When I decided to take action and started planning my schedule, it dawned on me that I was actually letting social media consume me instead of my consuming them. Parents, your phone use can be very annoying to your teens. More than a third of children have asked their parents to get off the internet, saying it disrupts family life, and this was according to a recent survey. On the other end of the spectrum, only 10% of parents think that their internet use upsets their children, showing that there is a disparity between parental perception and children's actual feelings. So, it is not just about monitoring your children when they are online, but also your own self. So, it may sound cliched, but the ground rule of parenting is do as I do and not do as I say. Secret number 11, creativity knows no shortcuts. It is not just enough to have ideas and inspiration. It converts into a work of art and creativity only if you put in the hours. Developing stamina and discipline and attending to detail is powerful when it comes to execution. Way back, I had my first lesson in creativity when I built a Lego model spaceship with my 8-year-old son, which took almost a month. The gift was the delight in his face. Da Vinci took 12 long years to create Mona Lisa because he wanted to capture an air of mystery in her smile. So, friends, be prepared to work hard. Secret number 12, just do it. Jump into it. Creativity takes planning, or else your ideas will remain only dreams. Be productive, take action. Procrastination kills productivity. The key is to create every day, whether you are inspired or not. Just create. And there are several apps like Evernote, Grammarly, Todoist, Google Calendars, iOS calendars, which can be a huge help in this process. Secret number 13, recharge your batteries. Creativity gives you a high, but it can prove to be really exhausting. If there's a burnout, then creativity itself becomes your enemy, leaving you irritable and frustrated. So, watch yourself. Try to include certain activities in your list that you do just for fun. You choose what works for you. I found that when I engage in physical activity on a daily basis or listen to my favorite songs when I'm cooking, I'm ready to be creative again. Creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and having fun. In a nutshell, creativity just means this for me. If whatever you are creating brings a smile to your face and you want to gift this smile to your team, share these secrets with them, but do not forget them to make them part of your life too. So which of these secrets will you be applying first today? Let me know and I'll be happy to see and respond to your comments in the box below. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and like and share my video. I have a lot more to share on parenting teens. Click on the link in my description and join me in my free upcoming parenting webinars. This is Dr. Anuradha signing off for now, hoping to connect with you soon.